Hello, welcome back. Have you ever seen a website where maybe the header, the navigation by menu, or the footer, or one thing or the other looks the same in all the pages? Now, have you ever wondered how this is being done if they don't do a copy and paste HTML code in all the pages? Like, let's say, for instance, let's go to our browser. Let me show you something very quickly. Now, let's quickly check our local host and see what's there. Now, I have a website here there. Now if you look at the header of this website, when I go to constitution, you discover that the header is the same, only the body changes to something else. The header remains what? The same. Now let's try to look at how this can be done with PHP. Okay, now I'll quickly do a save as here and call this by the way, the function we're looking at is called the include function. So I'll call this include.php, and we're going to delete all of this, and right here in my title tag I'll write include. Okay, so right now we're going to quickly create two more pages and another one. So I'm going to save, paste that here and here too. Now let me save this as header. Let me just say header.php. okay, and I'm gonna save this as second.php. okay, already have a file like second, so I don't want to replace that. Let's say next.php. very good. Now I'm going to quickly do something here in our header. I'll delete this and copy our HTML code, paste it right here, remove this, and then quickly do our h1 tag. Let's say h1. Let's say this is our header, and let's close our h1 tag very quickly. Now we'll save that. Okay, let's quickly check that in our browser and see what it gives us. Now when you refresh that, you see this is our header. Okay, now if we go back to here, let's echo a particular string. Let's echo, let's say this is my second page. Okay, and we come here and we want to echo something else, like let's echo this is my index page. All right, so put our semicolon there. Now if you check on the include.php page, I'll quickly include. Now you see this is my index page, and if you check on next, let's save that. And let's refresh. This is my second page. All right, now we want to see how we can invite the header.php into next.php and include.php, so it stands as our header. Okay, we're assuming this to be our website header. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we'll come to the very top and we'll say include. We'll use the function include, and what are we including? We're including header.php. all right, I will put that there, and by the way, that goes into our PHP tags, so I'm cut that from there and paste it right here. Okay, so we are including header.php, and I'm going to also copy that here and paste it here. Right, now let's see what is going to happen when I refresh my next.php. Now you see this is our header. Now mind you, we did not write this here. It was written in a separate file and it was included in the two files. Okay, let's also check that in our include .php, and you see the same thing. This is our header. Okay, now one very important thing, and why this is so important, is because you might want to change something in the header. Me, for instance, I want to say this is our top section, for instance. Okay, and I want to save that. Now you discover that it automatically changes when we refresh this. Now we did not change that here, neither did we change this here. We only changed the file where the original tag was written. Okay, now this is why it is so important. So when you're designing your PHP website or PHP script, it's always advisable to try implement some of this. It will help and ease your PHP work. Okay, now if this is in a folder somewhere, you can use this. Okay, but if it's in a folder in another directory, you can use the word folder and like that. Okay, so now since ours is in the same directory with the other two files, we don't have to do any of that. Okay, so look at it very well, try to understand it. I'll see you in the next video.